Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to share a video on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to post your own video so it can reach more people and inspire new audiences. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a plus button. Go ahead and tap that. From the options that appear, select Pin. This is the starting point for uploading any content, whether it's an image or, in this case, a video. Next, choose the video you want to share from your phone's gallery. Take a moment to make sure the video fits the story you want to tell. Whether it's a tutorial, a quick tip, or something creative you've captured. Pinterest is a platform where visuals shine, so picking the right video really matters. Once your video is uploaded, you'll be asked to add some details, and this is where your pin becomes powerful. You can type in a title that grabs attention, write a description that explains what your video is about, and even include a link if you want to drive viewers to your website, blog, or shop. These details not only help people understand your video, but they also help it show up when people search for related ideas. When you've finished filling in those details, tap Next. You'll see the option to choose where to save the video, like one of your existing boards or a brand new one you create on the spot. Once that's set, all that's left to do is hit Publish. In just a few moments, your video will be live on Pinterest for the world to discover. And that's it. Uploading a video on Pinterest is quick, easy, and an excellent way to share your ideas. With a few taps, you can start connecting your content with people who are looking for inspiration. Now that you know how it's done, why not try posting your first video today? You may be surprised at how many people find and enjoy what you share.